Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack. Today, I'll be showing you how to full screen Brave browser into your mobile. So guys, I will show you some practical ways in order for you to do this process. So first things first is open up your Brave browser into your mobile device. And the first practical tip here, as you can see, if you are using a different player, try to find the player that has something like this, as you can see, and you will have the full screen at the bottom right corner of the screen, as you can see over here. So tap on the full screen, and as you can see, it will be full screen. Now, if your player doesn't have that option, you could also go to the three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here, so tap on the zoom. And from here, you can zoom it or zoom out. So pretty much it will be depending on how the website behaves. And you will have an option as three dots as well and go for the desktop site. So sometimes if you have the desktop site on, you should be able to see the feature of the full screen. As you can see, I have the full screen and it is different preview. And pretty much over here, you could do a full screen into your phone. Now, another option, if that doesn't work out, guys, you could just simply go ahead and try to do a landscape into your phone by opening up the auto rotate feature. So from here, just make sure your phone is on auto rotate mode, as you can see over here. And now, from here, when having a video, of course, you could just simply go ahead and portrait your phone to automatically watch it on full screen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.